but like just saying, these can make your roleplays so much better. Hey Tocas, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, you should check out all my socials linked below. Lately, I've been able to do that when literally one shot, so like, slay. Anyways, so today I'll be giving you tips to make your roleplays better / longer. You don't have to use these, your roleplays will be good without them, but it can make them better, just saying. Anyway, some of these are my tips. I don't really know how many tips I'm gonna have because I didn't like pre-write them down. I'm just like going off the top of my head of what I can think of. But yeah, also, BTW, after this, I'm going to be reading, so let's just get started. Alrighty, number 1 is adding music in areas you don't want to talk. We're also at the treehouse because different is something, so I'll let you guys decide if it's better or not. But anyways, there's parts while you're taking a shower maybe, or something in a morning routine, and you can show off the steps. You can just add music. Also, I like the music idea. I think it makes the video really cool. So this is just a suggestion. I do this in my morning routine, in my night routine. So yeah. Tip number 2 is to make the plot before you film. Alrighty, this one seems like it's pretty known, but like, I guess it's not. If you make it, like make the plot on your notes app or on a piece of paper, then you can just copy the script and you can make it longer and add details as you see fit. I think having a basic outline is important instead of just sitting there and like, yeah, I'm gonna film this today, you know what I mean? Tip 3 is to add funny things. So for this one, this is mainly if you want your video to be longer. Wow, look at the flob in the video. Wonderful. Anyway, basically people enjoy funny things. So if your roleplay is kind of short, you can add a couple funny moments, maybe make it a minute longer, which people will appreciate that it's longer and it's funny. So literally perfect combination. Okay, so tip 4 is to add talking. Before you click off, let me just say that this seems well known because in roleplays there's normally talking or text if you do it that way, if you know what I mean. But if you add extra random talking, it does help and it makes the video longer. I've done this many times. I'm not gonna like not admit that, so yeah. Step 5 is to step back and change your mindset. This one from the top of your head looks absolutely insane. I get it, I'm not saying it doesn't. But if you sit down and just like close your eyes and envision what would happen if it was in a movie. Because I'm really not saying that. I'm saying like, if this were to happen in a movie, what are some things you'd want to happen? And then you can add those things according to your audience and the roleplay. I spent a total of 10 minutes trying to think of more. I don't have any more. Comment some down below and maybe I'll do part 2 using your tips. Anyway, so shout out goes the person on the screen. Also, if you want a shout out, please remember to ask, and if I forget about you, just let me know. Don't be rude about it, but let me know. Comment a book emoji if you made it to this point, and you are attractive. You can be whoever you want to be. Love you. Bye, Tocas.